The University of Akron, our goal is to change the world. We do that by changing lives and by changing communities. So we know that to be influential in your community and in the world, there are two important factors. That is your knowledge and skills and your social connections. Those are the two main things that we emphasize in the LIOBE program. Every year, we welcome hundreds of international executives from around the world here at Akron, and we're at a location that's really dynamic and perfect for learning about how to integrate those skills and knowledge pieces with the social dynamics that are occurring. We're the center of many different organizations, company headquarters globally, and so we want to give that experience by sharing from excellent instructors about what they know, what they've learned, what the current theories and thinking are, along with the practical experiences and getting to know people and expand your networks. We're very proud of our relationship that goes back many, many years with LIOBE. And I'm personally proud for having been associated since the beginning with this program. It has been really exciting to watch the progress of the LIOBE graduates, all the things they've gone to do, to participate in, the programs that they lead, and the organizations that they're impacting. So we feel we truly are changing the world, one student at a time, by having executives, perhaps such as yourself, come here, learn from the things we have to share, and have an impact on your personal life, on your community, and thus the world. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.